Have you ever seen uneven floors, bouncy floors, lifting floors, or maybe those annoying squeaks every time you take a step? Well, chances are the floor wasn't correctly prepped.
So stick around because we're going to show you what floor preparation actually involves and why it's the foundation of every successful flooring installation.
So you've just received your flooring quote, and there it is, something you probably weren't expecting, a separate line for subfloor preparation allowance. But you're also working towards a budget, so naturally you're thinking, is it really necessary? Am I even going to notice if this is done? Maybe you've had quotes from other stores where floor preparation wasn't even mentioned, or maybe they even said that it's not needed. Maybe you're tempted to skip it altogether.
So what exactly is floor prep? Well, it's simply the process of getting your existing subfloor ready to install your new timber, vinyl, hybrid or laminate flooring, and to make sure it meets the strain standards and the manufacturer's warranty requirements.
In many cases, carpet or tiles need to be removed first, and that removal can reveal a few hidden surprises. Until the old flooring comes up, it's often impossible to know exactly what lies beneath, and no two floors are ever the same.
Because of that, we can't always list every detail or give an exact cost for floor preparation up front. But no one likes budget surprises, especially the bad kind.
So to keep things nice and simple, we include a floor preparation allowance in your quote. This reflects an average of what we believe the prep to involve. And with thousands of installations under our belt, we're good at getting the numbers right. So you get clarity up front, but then no surprises later.
In about 98% of jobs, this system works really well, meaning no nasty surprises on your final invoice. In rare cases, like in the instance of unforeseen structural issues, extra work may be required. But don't worry, we'll be in touch every step of the way to keep you informed.
Once the old floor is up, or if we're dealing with an uneven slab, we can clearly see any height differences that need attention.
We might find leftover glue, old paint, surface damage, or uneven sections that would affect how well your new flooring bonds to the surface.
Preparing the floor properly before installation might not be the most exciting part of a new floor, but it is one of the most important.
It creates a smooth, solid base so your new flooring sits flat, feels comfortable underfoot, and stays looking great for years to come. When the groundwork is done right, you avoid future problems like movement, gaps, or uneven areas. It also helps protect your investment and keeps your warranty intact.
Floor prep isn't just an add-on. It's a smart choice that ensures your new floor lays flat, stays bonded, and looks incredible for years to come.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.